The India Ideas Conclave discussed contemporary issues of governance, defence, education and media in the 70th year of independent India. Dissent or disruption required to make a better India was at the centre stage. Here's a report.
The very idea of India at 70 at the India Idea Conclave was challenged by many speakers when they suggested that India is centuries-old concept and discussion held on governance and education.
सरकार के 3 वर्ग हैं और वो 3 स्तर पे हमें इनको समझना पड़ेगा। पहला तो जो लोकल गवर्नमेंट है, यानी हमारे जो म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज़ हैं, हमारे जो पंचायत हैं, उन्हें हमें और भी इफेक्टिव बनाना पड़ेगा। प्रदेश सरकार जो है उनको भी हम लोगों को सही करना है। और जैसे मैं पहले ही कह रहा था कि अगर हम भारत में देखें तो भारत में कुछ ऐसे राज्य हैं जो अच्छी तरीके से चल रहे हैं, कुछ उतने अच्छी तरह से नहीं चल सकते हैं, तो वो डिस्पैरिटीज़ हैं, उनको भी हमें देखना है। केंद्र सरकार की अगर तरफ हम देखें, वहाँ आज के समय बहुत कुछ सही हो रहा है, अच्छा हो रहा है और इन तीनों स्तर पे हमें काम करना पड़ेगा।
Political empowerment of all sections of the people. This is the big thing that has happened in India in the last 60 years. And what I would call the occupational democratization of the house. This is very important. People from all sections, etc., have come in, so that equalization and democratization of the house has taken place.
Issues of skills and employment were passionately discussed during discussion on education at 70, where experts suggested more investment in research and Indian languages.
The Prime Minister said in the interview that he wants to have 10 world-class students in the public sector, 10 in the private sector, and if he wants, he will relieve them from the clutches of UGC and AISEC. There is no money for research. Public money has to come for research. And third, you must make sure that they're allowed to tie up with foreign universities so that they become part of a global community.
In the Indian tradition, हम ये साइंस और सोशल साइंस की सेपरेशन नहीं करते और ये सामाजिक समस्या है जिसे हमें हल करना है। दूसरी बात, हम या तो अंग्रेजी में या तो हिंदी में राष्ट्रीय लेवल पे बातें करते हैं और एजुकेशन कराते हैं। ये बदलना है। सारे भारतीयों को विभिन्न भाषाओं को ज्ञान होना चाहिए और विभिन्न भाषाओं में हमें हायर एजुकेशन करना चाहिए।
At the concluding session, India Foundation Swaraj Awards were given to various luminaries for politics, economics, where Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu, Commerce Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and Chief Minister of Goa addressed the huge gathering of experts from across the globe for new idea of India.
The very idea of dissent for democracy and development was at the central stage of this year's conclave, but there was near consensus on the fact that my dissent is better than your dissent is the core issue which needs to be addressed. With cameraman Ashok, Ajay Mishra for DD News, Goa.